Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. So today in this video we'll see how you can change or replace battery in your wireless mouse. See here, this is the Portronics optical mouse, Portronics 2R23. I purchased this for 300 rupees and I have been using this for the past 9 months, actually 9 to 10 months. Okay. And did I replace a battery here? Yes, I did. So see here at the back side of the wireless mouse, not only this Portronic mouse, for any mouse the battery will be usually located at the back side. See here, there is the on off the switch, so I'll be just first turning off this so that it got turned off. And see here, there is the indication to open like this. So from bottom to top, just remove this and see here. Say for example, if there is nothing here now, means when you open this for the first time, there won't be any battery, right? You need to open here. Just for this particular mouse, I need AA battery. For few of the wireless mouse, maybe AAA battery, which is thin and small, would be needed, but for this is AA battery. And see here, there is a spring sort of thing, right? For that I need to give this minus here or negative, okay, for the spring, and the positive will go here. Okay, the spring sort of thing is there, right? I need to go insert in the negative side here. Okay, that's it. Okay, before keeping the cap here, just try to turn it on. There is a small toggle button, right? Just turn it on. You will see optical mouse symbol here, so that it is perfectly fine. Now you can just operate this. So I'll be showing you on this. This is the mouse action, right? Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.